Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project Midnight. In this video I'll tell you what kind of switches this keyboard has. This keyboard is equipped with G3MS Zircon switches. G3MS Zircon is linear mechanical switch, pre-lubricated from the factory for smooth and silent operation. The actuation force is 55 grams. Actuation point is about 1.5 millimeters, rated for 80 million keystrokes, designed to minimize friction, eliminate ping and spring noise, with a long central spring for smooth press and crisp reset. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.